Hi, I'm Kate from Ohlolly, and today I'm doing an Ohlolly Goes. Ohlolly Goes is a new YouTube series where we go and share Ohlolly products and tips with you. And I'm super excited that we're here at my friend Shelby's house, and I have this little box of Ohlolly goodies that I'm gonna share with her.
My name is Shelby. I'm an artist and I live out here in Los Angeles.
Can you tell me about your skincare routine right now?
Yes, so I really don't do much. I'm very lazy, and I just don't know much about skincare. It's not really been a big thing.
Korean skincare is more about prevention.
Okay.
Like Western skincare, a lot of times we have problems and then we're like, oh no, like I'm gonna put all this stuff on my face. How can I combat this? It's like a battle. So these are just some simple products that you can add into your routine right now that are just gonna help keep your skin look beautiful and healthy for a long time. So yeah, we just have 5 products here. So the first product I wanna start with is this. It's called All Clean Balm by Heimish. And this is like an oil-based cleanser. Here, do you want to open it up? So you first cleanse with this, which is oil-based, to take off sunscreen, makeup, anything that is oil-based itself, because oil attracts oil, if that makes sense. You put it on dry skin, put it all over your face, and then kind of gently rub all your makeup off, and you'll kind of see it erase. And then you're gonna take water, and it's gonna turn kind of milky, and then you're just gonna wash it off. After that, you're gonna use this Day by Day cleansing gel. This is called Second Cleanser. So this is the first cleanser, this is the second cleanser. That's what makes up double cleansing. All of this stuff is really natural. That's another thing about Korean skincare. It's like, they really believe in like natural products and very, very gentle.
That's great.
This product, I love it. I'm so excited for you to try it. It's called an Essence Toner.
What is a toner?
A toner, after you wash your skin, is gonna like reset your pH and add moisture back into your skin. You just like put a little right here, so you can see the kind of texture of it. So then after the toner, you would use this lotion. I love this stuff because it doesn't have that greasy feeling. You know, it's like it just absorbs super, super fast.
Oh yeah.
And then lastly, this is a sheet mask, pore-care sheet mask. Have you ever used one of these?
I always see videos of people wearing them, but yeah.
Yeah, like on Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah. The pore-care is just gonna like help revitalize your skin, and if you are dealing with any acne, it'll help with that.
Cool.
After you take it off, you just want to tap all the extra serum in. Maybe do it once a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's not like a daily thing at all. And then that's it.
Great. Thank you. I'm very excited. Now it's time for my nighttime routine. I'm wearing makeup. Gotta get it off. First thing, I'm gonna do the ACB. Yeah, that takes it all off really fast. And now I'm gonna try out this face mask. I've never used one of these before. So we'll see how it goes. This mask feels so hydrating and it smells really good. Feels like I'm at the spa. I'm gonna go relax and I'll be back. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. Take off the face mask. Lotion. Ooh, yes. Very hydrated. And ready for bed.